All right, folks, this is just a basic introduction to domain and range of functions. The domain is going to be the set of all x values. Okay, and then the range is going to be the set of all y values. Domain and range can be calculated in many different ways. For example, if I take a look at a very basic parent function of f of x equals x squared, here we have a quadratic, and we all know that the graph of this is going to be a parabola. And in this case here, we can see that the domain, as I go from left to right, is going to be the set of all real numbers, which we can denote by putting a double-barred R. And then the range is going to have a restriction here because the range is not going to go below 0. And the reason is because whenever I square something, it's always going to give me a positive answer. So my range of this function, we can either say it's going to be all real numbers greater than 0, or we can list it in interval notation as a closed bracket, meaning that the 0 is included, 0, and then going all the way to infinity, and this is an open parenthesis here, that just means that that infinity is not included. So again, domain and range really comes down to knowing what are the set of all the x values and what are the set of all the y values is how we're going to calculate the range. So hopefully this video helped you just briefly understand what domain and range are and how to, in this simple example here, determine what the domain and range are.